DJI Avata 2, a promising drone with innovative features. The DJI Avata 2 is generating buzz among drone enthusiasts due to its leaked design, potential release date, and speculated price point. From what's been revealed, the Avata 2 seems to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, promising cutting-edge technology and enhanced capabilities. Design: leaked images suggest that the DJI Avata 2 boasts a sleek and futuristic design. The drone appears to be more streamlined and aerodynamic, hinting at improved flight performance and stability. Its compact yet robust build suggests it might be suitable for both recreational and professional use cases. Features: while specific features haven't been confirmed, rumors suggest that the DJI Avata 2 will come equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, upgraded camera capabilities, and possibly new intelligent flight modes. If true, these features could elevate the drone's functionality and make it even more versatile for various applications, including aerial photography, videography, and inspection tasks. Release date: while an exact release date remains unconfirmed, speculation points to a potential launch in the coming months. Drone enthusiasts eagerly anticipate an official announcement from DJI to learn more about the Avata 2's availability and pricing. Pricing details for the DJI Avata 2 are still under wraps. However, considering DJI's track record, it's expected to be competitively priced compared to similar drones on the market. The inclusion of advanced features may influence the final price, but consumers can likely expect good value for the performance and capabilities offered by the Avata 2. Conclusion: the DJI Avata 2 leaks paint an exciting picture of a drone packed with innovative features and improvements over its predecessor. While it's essential to approach leaked information with caution, the anticipation surrounding the Avata 2 speaks to the high expectations for DJI's latest offering. As we await official confirmation and release, drone enthusiasts eagerly anticipate getting their hands on this promising aerial platform.